Have you ever checked your high-yield savings account one day and seen a different interest rate the next? It's a common experience, and it leads to a very important question for anyone trying to maximize their money. How often does EverBank actually update its interest rates? If you're watching your balance grow in an EverBank performance savings or money market account, you're dealing with what's called a variable rate account. And this is the key to understanding the update frequency. For EverBank's variable rate products, such as the Performance Savings Account, Performance Money Market Account, and Performance Checking Account, the short and simple answer is, they may change the interest rate at any time, without prior notice. This means there is no set schedule. It's not monthly, quarterly, or annually. The change could technically happen tomorrow, or not for a few months. Why the flexibility? Well, it's how EverBank and other financial institutions manage to offer competitive yields in the first place. These rates are closely tied to the broader economic environment, and a bank needs to be able to react quickly to major shifts. So, what causes them to move? First and foremost is the Federal Reserve's monetary policy, specifically the federal funds rate. When the Fed raises or lowers its benchmark rate, banks across the country often follow suit to remain competitive or manage their cost of lending. Second is market competition. EverBank prides itself on competitive rates. If a major competitor bumps their high-yield savings rate, EverBank might adjust its own rate to attract new customers or simply keep its existing ones. Third, the bank's own deposit needs can play a role. If they need to quickly attract more cash deposits, raising the interest rate is a great incentive for savers. Now, let's talk about the exception, certificates of deposit, or CDs. With a CD, you lock in your money for a fixed term, say, a 7-month or a 5-year term. For EverBank CDs, the annual percentage yield, or APY, is fixed for the entire term of the CD. You know exactly what you'll earn from day one until the maturity date. This is the trade-off, stability for less flexibility. However, the posted rates for new EverBank CDs, meaning the rates offered to people opening a new CD today, also change. Just like the variable accounts, these new offer rates are updated by the bank in response to market conditions, which is why you see different rates for different terms and why the rates for all new CDs can change at any time. The takeaway? For your variable accounts, keep an eye on economic news and check your current rate periodically on the EverBank website or in your account details. For your CDs, the rate you lock in is yours until maturity, but the next time you go to open a CD, the offer may be different. Understanding this difference is key to a successful savings strategy. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.